Jumaco S5 Police Lieutenant Colonel Katata, the PRO 12 Band led by Police Executive Master Sergeant Michael Soferno, 1st Battalion Commander Police Lieutenant Colonel Baterse, Battalion S1 Police Major Gervasio, Battalion S2 Police Major Lariosa, Battalion S3 Police Major Villanueva, Battalion S4 Police Major Barnosa, Alpha Company Commander Police Captain Miraflores, Police Executive Officer Police Captain Carbonell, 1st Platoon Leader Police Captain Domingo, 2nd Platoon Leader Police Captain Aligardas, Bravo Company Commander Police Captain Maribojo, Executive Officer Police Captain Cuevas, 3rd Platoon Leader Police Captain Basadica, 4th Platoon Leader Police Lieutenant Cervera. May we all stand for the colors. Please be seated. Color Officer, Police Lieutenant Sabiniano. 2nd Battalion Commander, Police Lieutenant Ano. Battalion S1, Police Major Kua. Battalion S2, Police Major Galvino. Battalion S3, Police Major Ligaga. Battalion S4, Police Major Apple. Charlie Company Commander, Police Captain Rabino. Executive Officer, Police Captain Aldanas. 5th Platoon Leader, Police Captain Cordua. 6th Platoon Leader, Police Captain Rivera. Delta Company Commander, Police Captain Gatera. Executive Officer, Police Captain Blancada. 7th Platoon Leader, Police Lieutenant Bravo. 8th Platoon Leader, Police Lieutenant Perses.
Part of the initiated projects of our Regional Director. The Project Hinterland Operational Response for Services and Emergencies, or the so-called Project HORSE, that aims to meet the needs of those who reside in remote areas, specifically the immediate response to crimes and situations requiring search and rescue, community outreach, and preventive patrolling. Ladies and gentlemen, the Project HORSE. Another initiated project of our Regional Director, the Project Motorcycle Enthusiast Trails Assistant League Hinterland Operational Response for Services and Emergencies. Ladies and gentlemen, the Project Metal Horse. Let's also welcome the Regional Highway Patrol Unit 12 with its team leader, Police Executive Master Sergeant Alberto Rosas. The ATVs will serve as patrol vehicles in passing the narrow thoroughfares, going to the mountainous barangays that are in need of police services, while jet ski and other motorized watercrafts will respond in coastal and flood-prone areas. Let's also welcome the Regional Maritime Unit 12. The Regional Mobile Force Battalion 12, under the leadership of the Force Commander, Police Colonel Leo de Leon Sua. Let's also welcome the Regional Medical and Dental Unit 12.